Hi everyone! Recently we went to check out a startup called Blinkware at Ara Damansara. Many of you may not have heard of it, but it is one of the coolest tech startups in town. Blinkware is a new media tech provider. They have their own patented optical recognition software and they are combining AI and machine learning to it. They're not just creating cutting-edge technology, they are also a fun bunch of people. Don't be surprised to see them having cricket tournaments right at their office.
In Blinkware, we look for innovators, creative people who do not just sit behind the desk. We look for people who are passionate in disrupting industries across using optical technology, and people who are eager to learn and continue to improve themselves, and also they are expanding their skill sets.
Usually we are looking for people who are good in terms of attitude and skills as well. However, attitude is more important since skills can be taught, but attitude is hard to come by. The technology which we are building is very hard, it's not easy, and you need a lot of patience. So if you are looking for learning, if you are looking for future, then you're welcome in Blinkware.
Top 3 things that make working in Blinkware amazing is, number 1, we have a very friendly culture where everyone is free to express their thoughts and ideas. Number 2, as you know, we work on technology, so it's a very dynamic environment. And then finally is the work. The work here is not what you see outside every day. It's a very cool thing that we're doing, and I believe that will actually make this place very, very interesting. And everything that you'll be building with us has real-world impact.
Hi, my name is Presley. I'm a postgraduate of Next Academy. I started working at Blinkware starting on July this year. First is, of course, is the field itself, the machine vision and machine learning, because this is a field that is not common, I would say, not common. Second reason is we have a very smart colleague here. I can learn from them, certainly. Third one is Blinkware have an ambition using the low-cost equipment to do high-performance things. Usually machine vision and machine learning involve a lot of expensive hardware costs. So Blinkware have ambition to make this solution, machine vision and machine learning solution, bring the cost down so that more people can adopt it. Next Academy, of course, the coding technical part helped me, but the process of thinking in coding helped me in terms of general programming. It doesn't matter what language you use. Besides learning coding, it is also ask the student to how to self-learning, how to find the answer. So it also helped me because not everyone has the answer. They need to find the answer themselves. That if they encounter the problem, what is the approach they use to solve the problem?